Top sign she is just pretending to love you.
Here's a breakdown based on the phases of attraction and my expert opinion. Green light phase, the initial illusion. She over-validates you constantly. It's sweet at first, but genuine attraction involves seeing both your strengths and flaws. If she agrees with everything you say, it's manipulation to get you hooked. Her attention is inconsistent. One moment she's all in, the next she's distant. This is classic intermittent reinforcement, keeping you guessing and craving her approval. She talks a lot about how great you are, but doesn't actually show it through actions. All talk, no walk, a sign of future faking to build you up now for potential disappointment later. Yellow light phase, the investment test. She avoids deep conversations or vulnerability. If she keeps things superficial and deflects when you try to get closer emotionally, she's likely not fully invested. She doesn't make an effort to see you consistently. A genuine connection involves prioritizing time together. If she always has excuses, it shows where you rank on her list. She is isolating you from your friends and family so that you will depend more on her. She uses the silent treatment as a weapon. This is a form of gaslighting, making you question yourself and your worth to win back her affection. Red light phase, the obsession lock-in or fake-out. She needs constant reassurance but doesn't reciprocate it. If she always wants you to tell her how great she is but rarely offers the same to you, it's a one-way street. She gets jealous easily but isn't necessarily possessive. Jealousy can be a sign of affection, but if it feels performative, like she's trying to look invested rather than genuinely feeling it, beware. She is using the Zeigarnik effect by making you always think about her and wanting more from her. She makes big promises for the future faking, without taking concrete steps to make them happen. It's a way of keeping you hooked with hope while she remains emotionally detached. Honestly, most women are masters of deception. They'll pretend to love you just to get what they want, security, validation, or simply entertainment. Don't be fooled by the initial charm. Look for consistent actions and genuine emotional investment.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, I hope this video gave you something to think about. If you have any questions or doubts about what Love Map AI says in this video, or if you wanted to tackle your specific dating dilemma, don't be afraid to leave it as a comment down below. I read them all and might even feature your question in the next video. And of course, if you enjoyed this free content, smash that like button and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of attraction.